My people, Senator Natasha Akpabio don't enter court already. You know, the way that they suspend them, you know, I remember she mentioned that this injustice will not be sustained. She don't enter court. And court don't order Senate President, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the cohort, all of them, make them react with immediate velocity. Then, followed by SERAP. SERAP don't come in as well. Come send warning, last warning for Senate President. My people, the way this matter they go so, your voices are going far. Everybody, the lamentation, the expression of the dissatisfaction and all is going far. Me, I know, say whether they like it or not, Senator Natasha Akpabio go get justice. But I'd like you to watch this video quickly.
Okay, this is the matter came out today, and the issue of service also related to the season. And she said that it's seeking to two months. How does it look that?
Well, you know, in legal proceedings, service of processes is very important because it's only when parties are properly served can study the cases and know how to respond. So the judge have that all the relevant processes should be exchanged by the parties so that everybody will be in a better position to respond. And it will also give the court a good ground, you know, a good matter.
So lastly, one issue that we want to understand is, can the court intervene in matters?
We are strange. The court has no such right. We've been very law-abiding institution. The Senate, you must answer the call of the court. That's why we're here. But it is right to say that the Internal Affairs of the National Assembly cannot be entertained by court. It's only after, if not done in line with the law, that the court can come in.
So there's been a ruling about a number of the period that the member can be suspended.
Well, we are acting in line with our rules and Order 66 Rule 8 of the Standing Order of the Senate empowers the Senate to extend the suspension as long as they deem fit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Una don't listen to waiting that same man, that same whip sheep or sheep whip. Now he talk for there. Now they talk say waiting court they talk cannot supersede waiting them they talk for inside Senate. He said the court get their own law. Them for inside Senate get their own law. So my people, the way this whole thing they go, so it already shows say, even though court pass judgment in favor of Senator Natasha Akpabio, these people for inside Senate, they will overrule. And you know, say the country where you and I come from, even though they overrule, nothing will happen. But meanwhile, let me take on these articles. Let's take these articles together. Let me read. Alleged misconduct. Court orders Godswill Akpabio and orders to challenge Natasha Akpabio's suit. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday ordered the Senate President Godswill Akpabio and others to file their defense in response to Senator Natasha Akpabio's Uduaghan suit, challenging her suspension over allegation of misconduct. Justice Obiora Ewanto issued the order during Monday proceedings. Akpabio Uduaghan had filed a motion ex parte marked FHC ABJ CS/384/2025, suing the clerk of the National Assembly NASS, the Senate, and the Senate President and Senator Ned Imaswen, chairman of the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges, and Code of Conduct. My people, not be small thing. Meanwhile, SERAP don't come as well. Come talk to the same Akpabio. As I know, say what they do so. Now injustice. You know, SERAP don't come now say reverse Natasha's suspension or face legal action. SERAP warns Akpabio with immediate velocity. But I would like make we take this one. Make we take them together. The Social Economic Right and Accountability Project has called on Senate President Godswill Akpabio to immediately reverse the suspension of Senator Natasha Akpabio Uduaghan. SERAP described it as patiently unlawful and a violation of our right to freedom of expression. Natasha was suspended for 6 months last week following allegations of speaking without permission and refusing to occupy her new seat in the Senate chamber. Her salary and allowance have also been withheld for the duration of the suspension, and she has been barred from identifying herself as a senator for the next 6 months. In an open letter dated March 8, 2025, signed by SERAP Deputy Director Kolawole Oluwadare, the organization warned that it would pursue legal action if the Senate President fails to comply within 48 hours. The letter emphasized that no one should ever be punished for speaking without permission. Being a senator does not deprive Mrs. Akpabio of her fundamental human rights. At the end of the day, the whip sheep or sheep whip, the deputy senate, whatever whip or sheep, now he constitutes. So that same man, wey talk say Natasha gets 6 children and different men. The same man wey come yesterday on the video we posted late night yesterday, come talk now say Natasha was an ex-girlfriend or ex-girlfriend to Yaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State, or Yaya Bello is an ex-boyfriend to Natasha. This same man now they still put for court, make it go handle Natasha case. Be like say this matter, it go be as it gets. It go be as it gets. Even self, SERAP even talking for the legal consequences, in case they failed to respond in 48 hours. SERAP urged the Senate to reinstate Akpabio and amend its standing orders to prevent undue restrictions on freedom of expression. The organization warned that failure to act promptly will leave it with no option but to seek judicial intervention. The Senate Standing Order 2023 should not and cannot set aside Mr. Akpabio's right to express herself. SERAP don't warn, no be small thing. People, what's your own take? Put it on the comment section. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Subscribe to our channel and follow us every day on 7 p.m. Nigerian time on our live broadcast. Take care and bye for now.